The story of Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Little Red Riding Hood. She was called that because she always wore a red hooded cloak, which her grandmother had given to her. One day, her mother asked her to take some food to her sick grandmother who lived in the woods. Little Red Riding Hood happily set off on her journey, carrying a basket of goodies for her grandmother. Along the way, she met a wolf who asked her where she was going. The innocent Little Red Riding Hood told the wolf that she was going to her grandmother's house. The wolf tricked her by suggesting she pick some flowers for her grandmother and took a shortcut to the grandmother's house. When Little Red Riding Hood reached her grandmother's house, she found that the door was already open. She walked in and was surprised to see that her grandmother looked very different, with large ears and big teeth. It was actually the wolf, who had disguised himself as the grandmother in order to eat Little Red Riding Hood. The wolf tried to eat Little Red Riding Hood, but she managed to escape and run outside where a woodsman heard her cries for help. The woodsman came to her rescue and saved her from the wolf. From that day on, Little Red Riding Hood learned to be more cautious and careful when talking to strangers. She also realized that she should follow her instincts when she senses danger. The story of Little Red Riding Hood teaches children about the importance of being careful and not talking to strangers. It also shows the consequences of not following safety precautions and the need to be aware of danger in order to stay safe.